Hello, my name is Stiward Prieto, and this is my delivery for Harvard CS50 web programming with JavaScript and Python, project number 1. This is my wiki. So as you can see, this is the index page, and if I can click any of these links and be taken to that entry's page. If I go to the direction wiki slash, let's say, CSS, I am taken to the page where you can already see the Markdown conversion to HTML. Now if a page doesn't exist and I write it here, I am taken to this error which says the page you're looking for doesn't exist, try creating it, which takes us to the new page test. If I am trying to create a new entry, I can, for purpose of mere investigation, let's name this one CSS, which already exists, and let's try creating it. This is pre-populated with this right here, but let's change it to, let's say, CSS. If I hit the create entry, it says page already exists, but if I save this as CSS2, CSS3, well, change here and hit the button again, the page is created and I'm redirected to it properly. Now about the edit section, I am taken to a new window, a new page where my text, my existing text and title are already pre-populated, so I can just change it. And if I hit the edit entry button, as you can see, it's already there. What's next? Oh well, you already saw the markdown conversion in new page, the buttons in both of new and edit page, the redirection, the errors, and let's see the search query engine. If I type HTML, I am taken directly to the HTML page. But what if I just write HD? I'm taken to a page that says include an HD, which displays a list of every article, every entry that I have that has included the letters H and T. As you can see, well, in HTML obviously, in Django, here HD, and in CSS. And if I write something that doesn't exist at all, then there were no results including my query. Now the only thing that's left is random page, so we can just try that here. You can see I'm redirected to random pages. I just have six entries, so I can't ask for much. And that would be it. And I will be expecting news from you soon. So thanks and have a nice day.